Hi guys, today I'm explaining about how to download JDK, how to install JDK. Okay, why JDK in Java? So without JDK, you cannot create application, you cannot download, sorry, cannot create an application, you cannot run an application. Okay, inside a JDK, there JRE and JDK will be present. JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment. JDK is nothing but Java development kit. JRE is used for to run the application with the help of JRE. We can run the application. JDK is a nothing but development toolkit. Inside the so many components are present. By using that components, you can develop a Java application. So let's come to whether the Java is present in your system or not. So what you need to do first, go to run command. After that type cmd, check with the help of Java C command, it can know the Java is present or not. See, there is a Java C is not recognized as internal external command or operal program or batch file. It means in your system Java is not present. So first you need to download Java software nothing but JDK. Go to Chrome. Okay. Before that you need to create one Oracle. You need to before that you have an you need to account in Oracle. So this is the endpoint, like a browser direct endpoint. I will give in description. Okay, so here you can get the, so Windows 86 means Windows 32-bit and Windows 64 means 64-bit. So you need to down click this. If my system is 32-bit, so that's why I'm downloading 32-bit this one. And if you want to go to your system, you go to 64-bit. So you need to accept this and then download this one. Okay, so for me not required, why means I already downloaded. Okay, so that I am cancelling that. So now I am installing the JDK. Just you can click this or you can run as administrator. So so in Windows 10, if your system is Windows 10, it will ask launch date. So what means verify? You need to verify this software is required or not. So if you want to yes, yes. If you click no means Java, it won't install in your system. So must and should click yes. It will take few minutes. So once you click your JDK, you will get like this pop up. So you need to queue next. So it's preparing to install. So welcome to Java SDK setup preparing install wizard. So it will take Java. We need to go for Java development tools. Why means with the help of Java development tools only you need to develop or create a Java application. So this is the path where JDK installation. Okay. So after that next. So what it will do means here, if already existing Java files, it will remove and then it will update, or it will remove or update the Java development kit. After that, it will ask the JDK. It will ask the whether if you want to change the location or continue the C folder. So your wish, you can change the location or you can continue next. So now it's starting the installation of Java. Okay. So nearly 3 billion device using the Java. See here, okay. Now JDK installation is completed. Here next step means if you want to guide or API documents and developer guide, if you click next means automatic it will open the developer guides, notes and everything. So I as of now I don't want. If you want you can click next. If you click close means the JDK installation is completed. Now you can open with command prompt and test whether the JDK installation or not installed or not. So just run cmd java. Java C is nothing but Java compile. See here, Java C is not recognized. It means Java is not yet installed on my system. Why? Because we did not set path for this Java. So now we are going to set path for Java. So how we can set path for Java means just there is a two ways we can set. One is env you write type in environment variables in search bar, you will get here directly. Okay, so from here environment variables, click here and then here you need to set path, right now. So now new here path, sorry, first you need to set Java home. Home. So for this you need to go the so you need to go for sorry you need to go Java location where we install this JDK. We need, I already told, right, it is installed in C folder. Now I need to go, I am going with C folder. Go to C folder here. So here I think the program files we install Java, yes. So Java JDK 1.8 we install. Okay. So from here you need to take this, copy this and paste here. Okay. Now you need to set path for this. What you need to do, whatever I copying right that one you need to paste here path. Control V. Okay. 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 Now run cmd. Now Java Java C. C. So now we are able to see some of the comments like here. So it means now our applications, sorry, our system has Java. Okay. That's all friends. My That's all friends. How I said right how to download or install JDK. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching.